Today, I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons you must know before decide to buy the hair from India. Number 1. Indian hair is mixed and of unknown origin. Every day, 20,000 people come to donate their hair at the temples, pagodas. When Indians cut their hair to release poverty and sorrow at night, what do you think when you're wearing the poverty and suffering of others above your head? Indians often leave a ton of unprocessed hair in warehouse for a long time. As a result, the hair becomes dry, unfresh, and unclean. They will wait until someone from other countries import the hair at incredibly cheap price. Number 2. Chinese hair is synthetic hair and has been imported from India. In other words, we can say that Indian hair and Chinese hair come mostly from the same source. In addition, Chinese hair vendors can mix the hair with synthetic fibers to lower the price and gain more profit from it without thinking for the hair vendor. Chinese hair suppliers can even use animal hair to weave wigs. Factories in China have many techniques to turn the bad hair into something shiny, bouncy, but that's just the outlook of future.
Number 3. Hair loss and tangles problem. In nature, the hairs come from different places in India, which make it easily shed tangle after a short time of use. Because hair origin is from hundred or thousand women from an area, the hair is mixed and the cuticles are not alike as a result. The Chinese hair is from synthetic and mixed hair. That's why many customers buy hair from China was happy at the short time with the sharp hair but soon hate it after washing, dyeing, and bleaching because actually the hair is blended from uncounted numbers of people and it cannot be silky, sharp, and change into other colors perfectly. Number 4. Short duration. The duration of 2 hairs is very short. It is about 3 to 4 months for uses. The hairs come from different places in India, different people, different grades, as well as age. That's the reason why the duration of Indian hairs and Chinese hair is not long and can be compared to high quality hair such as Vietnamese hair. Number 5. Hair scammers from China and India. Hair scammers take advantage of the potential of the hair industries in China and India. Many people lost a lot of money because of trying to get the cheap price. Maybe you don't know the fact that the workers have to work all day at the factories with the lowest salary, which is over $4 per day, and that is the reason why the price from Chinese and Indian hair is always more competitive than the other hair vendors.
As you can see, K-Hair is one of the leading hair wholesale vendors in Vietnam. We have been exporting to many clients all over the world for 20 years and hope to be your partner to give you the best quality of the hair. Contact me now. I'm Jennie from K-Hair for the best discount today.